Founded on 2004, Suntex is a dynamic company specialized in supplying high-temperature industrial textiles. Depending on continued innovation and excellent working team, Suntex is growing to become one of the leading suppliers of high-temperature textiles in China. The main applications include fire protection, heat resistance, thermal insulation in the field of chemical, steel, vehicle, ventilation, shipbuilding industry, and safety systems. Today, Suntex's associate factory is ISO 9001 certified, close to Shanghai in China. With implementation of quality management, Suntex is committed to offer high-quality products, including woven glass fabrics, coated fiberglass fabrics, welding blankets, fire pit mats, fireproof bags, and removable insulation jackets. The products are produced through designing, planning, weaving, coating, sewing, inspection, and packing. All the production processes are strictly carried out as international quality standards. R&D department makes full efforts in developing new products, improving current products, and matching customers' requirements. Through thousands tests, we own generous technical data of temperature resistance, fire protection performance, tensile strength, polymer abrasion, chemical resistance, which can help customers engineer to choose proper textiles. For every request of customers, our sales team responds in 24 hours. The technical team responds to the customers to assure critical technical parameters. Production team makes the delivery schedules reasonably to guarantee the on-time delivery. Up to now, Suntex has become a high-quality supplier and serves for hundreds of customers worldwide.